Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add the thanks button in YouTube Shorts. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And I show you how to do it. And open YouTube Studio. And click on right corner here. Enable monetization and click on Super. Connect Super and click on Super Thanks, Super Chat and Super Sticker. Scroll up. Alright, click on back. Yes, Supers activated. That's it.